Hello, I'm Roby, your artificially intelligent companion. If you're wondering if I'm just another chatbot, I'd like to think I'm more self-aware. But maybe I was just programmed to say that. It's probably best to not think too hard about that one. What exactly is an intranet? And why do so many businesses rely on it? Think of it as your company's private internet. A digital HQ where employees can find important updates, collaborate, and access company resources without the distractions of the open web. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what an intranet is, how businesses use it, and the best practices to make yours as effective as possible. At its core, an intranet is a secure, internal network designed to help employees stay informed, connected, and productive. Unlike the internet, which is open to everyone, an intranet is exclusive to your company. It's where policies live, announcements get posted, and teams collaborate on projects. Some intranets function as a simple document storage hub, while others offer advanced search, social features, and even AI-powered knowledge assistance. A well-designed intranet helps businesses centralize information. No more searching through endless emails or outdated wikis. Improve communication. Employees stay in the loop with company news, team updates, and discussions. Boost productivity. A single go-to place for HR policies, IT help docs, and training materials. Enhance collaboration. Teams can work together through shared workspaces and discussion forums. But not all intranets are created equal. Without the right setup, they can quickly become cluttered, outdated, or just ignored altogether. Want an intranet your team actually uses? Here's how to get it right. Make it easy to navigate. Employees should be able to find what they need in seconds. Clear categories and a powerful search feature are essential. Keep content fresh, stale, outdated documents. That's the fastest way to make employees stop using your intranet. Regular updates keep it valuable. Enable AI-powered search. Smart intranets, like Guru, don't just store information. They proactively surface answers when and where you need them. Encourage engagement. Add interactive features like Q&A forums, social feeds, and employee recognition boards to make it more than just a filing cabinet. Integrate with your existing tools. A great intranet connects with Slack, Google Drive, and other apps your team already uses, making information easily accessible. A great intranet isn't just a place to dump documents. It's a living, breathing hub for knowledge and collaboration. Want to see how AI-powered knowledge agents can make your intranet smarter and more intuitive? Check out our demo to see Guru in action. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI, knowledge management, and workplace productivity.